Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is differential equation from the book ML Agarwal, exercise 15.5 for ISC class 12. Let us take question number 4. Last class I have completed up to number 1, 2, 3, second part, and for number 4 first part it is given dy by dx is equal to cos x plus y. It is given and you have to solve. So you have to substitute let x plus y is equal to u, differentiating both sides with respect to x. This should be 1 dy by dx equal to du by dx. So from here you have to find out dy by dx, which is equal to du by dx minus 1. Okay. After that you have to replace dy by dx as du by dx minus 1 is equal to cos u. Next it will be du by dx is equal to 1 plus cos u. Now you have to separate the variables. It will be du by 1 minus cos u is equal to dx. After the separation of variables you have to integrate both sides. Now rationalizing the denominator, this should be 1 plus, otherwise you can do one thing here. Okay, let us do by this 1 plus cos u by, if I multiply 1 plus cos u both up and down, this will be 1 minus cos square u du. This is x plus c. Just to separate the fraction, means 1 minus cos square is how much? Sin square u. 1 by sin square will be cos square u du plus cos u by sin square, cos by sin cot, and 1 by sin cosec. That means this will be cosec u into cot u equal to x plus c. What is the integration of cosec square u? That will be minus cot u. And the integration of cosec u into cot u du equal to how much? Minus cosec u equal to x plus c. Okay, and this is the final answer. Because derivative of cot u is minus cosec square u, and cosec square u integration is minus cot u. Same process, derivative of cosec u as minus cosec u into cot u. Therefore, integration of cosec u into cot u, it will be minus cosec u. After that, you will replace u by x plus y. Okay, let us go next number. Question number 4, second part, it is given dy by dx is equal to tan of x plus y. This is given, and you have to solve this differential equation by the method substitution. Let x plus y is equal to u, differentiating both sides, this should be 1 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Therefore, dy by dx will be du by dx minus 1. Now replacing dy by dx as du by dx minus 1 equal to tan u. Then du by dx will be how much? 1 plus tan u. Now separate the variables. Du by 1 plus tan u is equal to dx. Integrating both sides. Do one thing here. Sin by cos tan. That means it should be sin by cos u plus sin u by cos u. That means cos u by cos u plus sin u whole du is equal to x plus c, because the integration of dx is x. Here, right here half integration. The derivative of cos u plus sin u is what? Minus sin u plus cos u. Means cos u minus sin u. Cos u minus sin u and plus cos u plus sin u. That means it is converted to cos u, that are adjusted here. Cos u plus sin u is equal to x plus c. If I separate the fraction, this will be how much? 1 by 2. See, the derivative of this is coming this one. That means this will be log of cos u plus sin u. Directly I am doing, because if I separate the fraction, cos u minus sin u by cos u plus sin u, this is nothing but log of cos u plus sin u. And the second part, if I separate, this will be 1 du. You have to write du here. 1 du means u, half common outside, which is equal to x plus c. After that, you have put the value of u as x plus y. What will you get here? Just to see. If I put the value of x plus u, then it will be log of cos x plus y plus sin x plus y plus u means x plus y bracket close equal to that half multiply that side, this will be 2x plus c. Then finally we will get 1x will cancel, y is equal to x minus, this will be 2x minus x, and y I am keeping here, this one taking that side, x minus log of cos x plus y plus sin of x plus y mod plus c. And this is your final answer. Y is equal to x minus log cos x plus y plus sin x plus y mod plus c. This is the answer of number 4, second part. Let us go. Question number 5, first part it is given dy by dx is equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y minus 1. How to solve this one? Let first of all you have to substitute. Let x plus y is equal to u, differentiating, this will be 1 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. So here you will get dy by dx as du by dx minus 1 equal to sin u plus cos u minus 1. This minus 1 will be cancelled out. After that, du by dx is equal to sin u plus cos u. Now separate the variables. This will be du by sin u plus cos u equal to dx, integrating both sides. Okay. If I multiply here 1 by root 2 both numerator and denominator, this will be nothing but sin u into cos pi by 4, means this will be directly I am writing here du by sin u into cos pi by 4, because 45 cos 40 is 1 by root 2 plus cos u into sin pi by 4. Why I am doing like this? Because 1 by root 2 means cos pi by 4, again 1 root 2 means sin pi by 4. Du written, and this will be x plus c. Now this will be sin a plus b form, that means sin u plus pi by 4. And 1 by sin u plus 1 means 1 by sin means cosec. Final what are you getting? Next I am getting 1 by root 2 integration cosec u plus pi by 4 du is equal to x plus c. 1 by root 2. So what is the integration of cosec u du? The integration of cosec is log of cosec u plus pi by 4 minus cot u plus pi by 4 mod equal to x plus c. Means you have to memorize the integration of cosec x dx is log of cosec x minus cot x. Integration of cosec x means log of cosec x minus cot x equal to x plus c. After that, just put the value of u as x plus y. Then what is the final result? The final result will be 1 by root 2 bracket log cosec u means x plus y plus 5 by 4 minus cot x plus y plus 5 by 4 mod bracket close equal to x plus. This is the final answer. Okay. Today I have completed up to number 5. Thank you for today class. Next day do more sums.